with this palm one. Oh my god! Oh,
Oh shit.
I have this on video. We need to call 911 right now.
Oh.
Hold on. Don't be quiet.
Chapter 3.11. From the comms room,
recount of the events he had been subjected to. She told him she was very sorry he had been through and vowed to him that they would find Nicholas's captors and work to free the other children who had been abducted.
Keep left at the fork to continue on exit 14.
So far, the exact gene was found. And isolating the gene for Huntington's disease was huge. On the scientific front, it allowed researchers to how this gene produced. Oh my god! They were trying to come up with potential therapies. And from the patient,
hey Siri, call 911.
held answers. Because identifying this gene meant you could be tested for the disease. It's not as simple as that, of course. Because with this ability to test came a bag of
and the Canadian COVID-19 Immunization Task Force. So what they're doing is they're mailing out thousands of these kits to people across the country, provinces and territories, and the goal here is to learn more about the virus, learn how it's contracted.
This
speeding black car didn't have working headlights. Without a dash...
Jesus Christ, right? I'm sorry, Gaga.
That guy was fault.
Okay, through the red light, right?
Yeah, right through the red light.
Okay.